Good morning, everyone. My name is Durga Panit from grade 8. Today, we are all grade 8 students are doing an activity on the Ants Judgment Day. Let me introduce the characters: Queen Ant Jeshin, Soldier Ant Charita, Worker Ant Shimra, Scout Ant Shifa, Grasshopper Nafsia, and Judge B is Durga Punit. Scene 1: Inside the anthill, busy ant life. The curtain opens, ants are seen working hard, carrying food, guarding the nest, cleaning tunnels. In the heart of ground lies a tiny but well organized city, the home of the ants. These tiny creatures may be small, but they live with great discipline, teamwork, and planning.
Let us continue our work. Winter is near and we must store food and keep the colony strong.
Worker ant,
Today we stored 5 more leaves and 3 seeds today.
scout ant,
There is more food near the stump. I'll lead the way.
soldier ant,
My queen. The tunnel is safe. The nest is protected.
Look how each ant knows its duty. No laziness, no arguments, just hard work and cooperation. Scene 2: The grasshopper's laziness.
Oh, it's a good day. Let me sing a song. You can as the flowers. I see flowers showering all on you guys. Oh, and why work you so hard in the sun? Live a little, enjoy life.
Worker ant,
Start. When the cold will come, the food will be harder to find.
grasshopper,
Bah, winter is far away. I'll find food when I am hungry.
scout ant,
Let's go. Don't waste time. She will learn soon enough.
Scene 3: Winter comes. Snow falls, ants are inside, warm and eating. The grasshopper is outside, shivering and weak.
Oh, cool is it? I don't have food. I didn't prepare. Can I come in?
When there is time, why didn't you prepare the food?
I thought there was a plenty time. I wasted it. Please forgive me. Judge B enters. Judge B buzzing.
Let's hear on both sides. Worker ant, what do you say?
We warned him. We worked while he played. We believe in second chance, but understand that in our world there is no space for laziness. Learn and join with us in the spring.
Thank you, Quinant. I'll work hard from now on. Work today, rest tomorrow. Lazy days brings a sorrow.